So this is the Colorado Railroad Museum. It's kind of where I got my introduction to railroading and working for a railroad. We have an operating railroad, and we also restore a bunch of different pieces of Colorado railroading equipment. So it's really neat. I get kind of the restoration side of things and also the operation side of things. This summer I'm actually taking 12 credit hours online through the summer session. I'm also doing a 40-hour-a-week internship with the BNSF Railway, and I'm interning as a train master for them. I've been able to manage my train master duties, my volunteer duties, and also I've been able to get school done just because of how flexible the summer session is. So working at the railroad, you have some weird hours because it is a 24/7 business. So you really have to be available pretty much whenever. So I've had days where I work a normal 8 to 5, and I've had days where I'm up from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. So all sorts of weird hours that I'm working. And summer session has really allowed me to manage that because I can do classes at 2 a.m. after I get off a shift at the railroad. So it's really nice how flexible it is and how willing the teachers are to work with you on hours, because I had a teacher reschedule tests for me because I let him know my situation and he was willing to help me. Summer session's really helping me graduate early because I can just squeeze in a few more credits and I'll be done a year early now because of it. Summer is a really great opportunity to look at a field you're interested in and see if it's a right fit for you.